Softly strumming strings, dreams taking flight. In the quiet it rings, strength in the night. Whispered hopes inside, fears fade away. Through the tears we've cried, a brighter day will rise to shine. Breaking through the storm, with hearts beating time, will transform.
Hello guys, in today's video we are diving into the world of AI to create an amazing music video using free AI tools and upscale it to the 4K in just 6 easy steps. And as always, stick around for bonus tip at the end to add even more flair to your clips. So let's start from step 1. Creating consistent character using Microsoft Copilot. To use this, go to Google and search for Copilot. And for start to using this, I prepare a prompt. Let's paste it here. 3D cartoon in Pixar-Style of a 14 years old black girl named Alicia in full body with violet dreadlock hairs and punk style, wearing modern glasses with pretty African-American facial features. Let's submit this. And look at the results. And I like all 4 image results for this prompt, and we could use them to create our AI music video. I want to add this prompt. I need same character in different poses for my YouTube AI video clip. Let's generate different poses for Alicia. So we use GPT-4 to generate different variations for this image. The key point for generating consistent characters using Microsoft Copilot is to keep main prompt that describes our AI character, and in this example, Alicia, unchanged, and just add different locations, modes, and styles to end of our prompt. As you see in all of these examples, the main part of prompt that highlighted in green is unchanged, and only the yellow highlighted parts are changed in each prompt. Okay, we create our consistent character and name it Alicia, so step 1 is checked. And let's start step 2 and change the aspect ratio. And the good news is you don't need any additional tools to do this. One of the benefits of using Microsoft Copilot to generating these images, if we click on one of these images, for example, this image, it will open it in Microsoft Designer, and we could use this icon to change image ratio from 1:1 to 16:9, and we could create horizontal images for our video clips without using any extra tools, as you see. So step 2 is checked, and we change image aspect ratio from 1:1 to 16:9. Now let's start step 3 and use SUNO.ai to create an AI music for Alicia. And to use this, check description below for SUNO AI website. Okay, this is SUNO AI interface, and there is new Explore tab available here. Let's try this. For example, I'm looking for a pop song, so let's use Ctrl F keyboard shortcut keys for Windows users or Command F for Mac to search for pop keyword, and let's try this song. This is amazing. Okay, let's go back. And to start generating our AI song, I prepare a prompt for this. An inspirational ballad that begins softly and builds to a powerful climax that focuses on self-belief and overcoming adversity by using the Faith, sung by 14 years old girl playing guitar, inspirational pop. Also, you should uncheck the instrumental option here and create this. Let's listen to the song.
I believe in me, shine through the dark.
Maybe you should try a couple times to receive your desired results. Also, by clicking this drop-down menu here, you could choose the latest 3.5 version. Okay, after some retries, you get to this amazing result.
Softly strumming strings, dreams taking flight. In the quiet it rings, strength in the night. Whispered hopes inside, fears fade away. Through the tears we've cried, a brighter day
And I think SUNO did a great job in generating AI songs. Let's download this as audio file. So we have generated AI music for Alicia and step 3 is checked. And the good news is the tough part is done and it's time to enjoy the remaining steps. So let's start step 4 and use media.io to split our AI generated music. Click on Tools and select Audio Cutter. This is media.io Audio Cutter interface. Let's upload our AI generated music using SUNO to media.io website. And this tool has a very simple interface. This will have an audio cutter and audio joiner. We want to use audio cutter for this example. Let's cut from 0 to 4 seconds and export this and download the 4-second results. And we will repeat this process to split AI-generated audio files to 4-second parts. Okay, we have split AI-generated music to 4-second parts, and step 4 is checked. Now it's time to bring the Alicia to life. We will use our UpNext AI tool, Lalamo Studio, to add lip sync to Alicia, and we will match her lip movements perfectly to her voice. To use this tool, head over to Lalamo Studio website that you could find in the description below and click on Try Now button. This is Lalamo Studio interface after logging into your account. To start using this tool, just click on Start New Design. Let's rename it to Lip Sync Project and use New Design. Click on Create a Design. Let's select Full HD Video from the drop menu. Click on Lalamo Studio icon here on the left side. One of the benefits of Lalamo Studio is that you don't need any additional tools to edit your videos. Just select image or video file. I want to choose my generated images in the previous step. And I want to upload the related audio file and click on Create Lip Sync Video. To use it, select this page 1 and click on Add to Design. Then right click on Video and click on Set Video as background to set video to full screen. Then add a new page and click on Create New Video and upload the second part of audio and image file that you want to generate lip sync for. And click on Create Lip Sync Video again and make sure that you are selecting page 2 and click on Add to Design. Right click and click on Set Video as background, and if you accidentally add it to wrong page, simply click on Video and use Delete button to remove the video file. Also, we could change our page's order by drag and dropping them to left and right, and this is a very useful feature to change our clips order. Okay, after adding all the clips to the Lalamo Studio, you could click on Share button and use Download to download these clips, and you could select all of the pages or the pages you want to add to the download. I want to choose all 8 pages and click on Download. And Lalamo Studio merge these clips together and give me a single video including all of my clips, so you could edit your videos online for free. Okay, we add lip sync to the Alicia and we generate our music video using free online tools as I promised. So step 5 is checked. Let's move on to step 6 and use CapCut to upscale our music video to 4K resolution. Okay, head over to CapCut website, go to Products and click on Video Upscaler. Then upload your video to the CapCut online interface. Let's click on Upscale, and with using this tool, we could upscale our videos to the 4K for free. Okay, our upscaled video is ready. Just click on Export button here. Click on Download button. Congratulations, we have successfully upscaled our AI music video to the 4K resolution. So step 6 is done. And finally, let's have a quick look to extra steps. First of all, I use Luma Dream Machine to add more dynamics to Alicia video clips. And I use my Luma video experience in this video to reach to these amazing results. Then I repeat the same process in the Hyper.ai, another free AI image to video tool that you could find in this video to get to these results with more dynamic lights. And finally, I add all clips to Premiere Pro, and after some masking to remove watermark, and after adding some keyframes and captions to Alicia clips, I ended with this result. You could access to this tutorial prompts in description below, and please let me know about your experiences in the comments. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventure.